Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clear return and refund policy to your Shopify store. This is absolutely crucial for building trust with your customers, protecting your business, and making sure people know what to expect if they ever want to send something back or get a refund. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional and reliable policy step by step, even if you've never done this before. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Settings option. It's usually at the very bottom of the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. Settings is the place where all the behind-the-scenes details of your store live, so don't worry if it looks like a lot. You're in the right spot. Next, once you're inside the Settings page, keep an eye out for Policies. This is where Shopify keeps all your store's legal documents and customer-facing policies like privacy, terms of service, and of course, return and refund policies. Click right on Policies. It should be clear and easy to spot. Now you'll see an area specifically labeled Return and Refund Policy. This is your main canvas here, where you either write your own policy from scratch or use one of Shopify's built-in templates. If you already have your own business policy, maybe something you've been using with other platforms, or a refund process that matches your brand's values, you can simply copy and paste it here. Be detailed and make sure everything is accurate. For example, are refunds allowed on all products or only certain types? What's the time limit? Do customers need to have the original packaging? The clearer you are, the fewer headaches down the road. But here's a tip. If you aren't sure where to start or you want a quick leg up, Shopify offers an Insert Template option right below the box. Just click that button and Shopify will generate a standard return and refund policy that covers all the basics. This is a fantastic foundation, especially for newer store owners, but don't be afraid to tweak the language so it matches your business voice and addresses specifics unique to your products. And if you want to go a step further and make your policy even more tailored, you can put the power of ChatGPT to work. Just ask it to write a return and refund policy that fits your business model. ChatGPT can help generate clear, friendly policies with all the important bits included. Simply copy the suggested text and paste it right into the policy box. Remember, the goal is to be transparent and to answer questions your customers might have before they even need to ask. Once you've written or inserted your return and refund policy and double-check that it's accurate and matches your intentions, it's time to publish. Just scroll down and click Publish or Save. It's usually a big, clear button at the bottom. Take a second to breathe. You've just made your store safer, more trustworthy, and more likely to turn wary shoppers into loyal customers. If this part felt like a lot, don't worry. Setting up store policies is something every shop owner goes through, and it's perfectly normal to revisit and update your policies as your business grows and changes. That's it. You've just added a professional return and refund policy to your Shopify store. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want advice for your specific situation, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and would love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Shopify tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.